to show you how to take the tape off the lace system and wash it. So, like I always say, be very, very gentle with the hair system. So what you do is you spray the citrus from the opposite side to the lace. This will release the tape from the lace. You want to leave it for a few seconds, let it soft. And then pull it gently. Like that. So now you can use the towel and very gently clean all around the edges to make sure everything is clean. There is no residue left in the hairpiece. As you see, you take the tape off. And now we're going to wash it. You always want to wash the hair in one direction. We shampoo it again. You want to be very gentle when you're washing the lace. Any system, always follow it in the middle and wash in one direction. You don't want the hair to get tangled while you're washing it. This is how you wash the lace system. So the system is nice and clean, and we place it on a towel and we wrap it. This will absorb the water